I'm very tired. Sounds okay, right? But what if you said, I'm absolutely exhausted? Now that sounds more natural and fluent. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Are you tired of repeating the same basic English phrases every day? In this video, we'll show you how to upgrade your everyday English and sound more confident using advanced words, expressions, and phrases. Let's take your English to the next level, one powerful sentence at a time. 100 normal versus advanced English sentences. Normal English first, then advanced English. I'm very tired. I'm absolutely exhausted. I'm very hungry. I'm starving. I'm very happy. I'm thrilled. I'm very sad. I'm heartbroken. I'm busy now. I'm tied up at the moment. She is very beautiful. She is stunning. It's very cold. It's freezing. It's very hot. It's boiling. I don't understand. I'm not quite following. I understand. I got the hang of it. I'm not sure. I'm uncertain. I'm scared. I'm terrified. I'm angry. I'm furious. I like it. I'm really into it. I don't like it. I'm not a fan of it. It's easy. It's a piece of cake. It's difficult. It's a tough nut to crack. I'm going to sleep. I'm hitting the sack. I'm going to leave. I'm heading out. Let's start. Let's get the ball rolling. Hurry up. Step on it. I'll try my best. I'll give it my all. Wait a minute. Hold on a second. Be careful. Watch your step. I have no idea. I haven't got a clue. Good luck. Break a leg. Don't be rude. Mind your manners. I'm listening. I'm all ears. I don't care. It doesn't bother me. Don't worry. No need to stress. I'm interested. You've got my attention. Calm down. Take it easy. I agree. I'm with you on that. I disagree. I beg to differ. Thank you. I really appreciate it. You're welcome. No problem or my pleasure. Sorry. I sincerely apologize. I can't wait. I'm looking forward to it. I'm surprised. I'm taken aback. That's not fair. That's unacceptable. That's great. That's fantastic. That's not good. That's disappointing. I have to go. I'd better get going. I don't have time. I'm pressed for time. Let me know. Keep me posted. Contact me. Reach out to me. I'll think about it. I'll give it some thought. It's your decision. It's up to you. Don't touch that. Keep your hands off. That's strange. That's bizarre. That's funny. That's hilarious. He is very smart. He's brilliant. I feel good. I feel fantastic. It's very important. It's crucial. I don't like him. He's not my cup of tea. Let's meet later. Let's catch up later. That's true. That's spot on. That's not true. That's nonsense. Tell me everything. Spill the beans. I'm leaving now. I'm off. Be patient. Hang in there. Relax. Take a breather. Stop wasting time. Stop beating around the bush. I'm very busy. I've got a lot on my plate. I'm poor. I'm broke. I'm rich. I'm well off. I'll pay the bill. It's on me. He's so lucky. He hit the jackpot. I got married. I tied the knot. I don't know. Beats me. I need to study. I have to hit the books. I'm thinking. I'm racking my brain. I'll call you. I'll give you a ring. He died. He passed away. He's very old. He's elderly. It's raining a lot. It's pouring. I made a mistake. I messed up. I'm okay. I'm doing all right. You're right. You've got a point. You first. After you. I'm excited. I'm pumped. That's enough. That'll do. He's lazy. He's a couch potato. I'm nervous. I've got butterflies in my stomach. Don't be stupid. Don't be ridiculous. I'm serious. I mean it. Go to sleep. Hit the hay. It's so quiet. It's dead silent. I'll try again. I'll give it another shot. That's not allowed. That's off limits. He left. He took off. I'm done. I'm all set. I'm so lucky. I lucked out. I got fired. I got the axe. Let's go. Let's roll. It's not difficult. It's no big deal. Normal versus advanced English sentences for daily use. normal English, and advanced English. Saying you're tired. I'm very tired. I'm absolutely exhausted. Saying you're hungry. I'm very hungry. I'm starving. Going to sleep. I'm going to sleep. I'm hitting the sack. Leaving home. I'm going to leave now. I'm heading out. Feeling happy. I'm very happy. I'm over the moon. Telling someone to relax. Calm down. Take it easy. Asking someone to wait. Wait a minute. Hold on a sec. Asking to begin something. Let's start. Let's get the ball rolling. Saying goodbye. I have to go. I'd better get going. Encouraging someone. Good luck. Break a leg. Reassuring a friend. Don't worry. No need to stress. Talking about understanding. I don't understand. I'm not quite following. Agreeing with someone. I agree with you. I'm with you on that. Disagreeing with someone. I disagree. I beg to differ. Saying you're unsure. I'm not sure. I'm uncertain. Offering help. Can I help you? Do you need a hand? Expressing surprise. I'm surprised. I'm taken aback. Showing gratitude. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Responding to thanks. You're welcome. No worries or my pleasure. Saying you're busy. I'm busy right now. I'm tied up at the moment. Describing an easy task. It's easy. It's a piece of cake. Talking about the weather. It's very cold. It's freezing outside. Expressing confusion. I don't know. I haven't got a clue. Talking about time. I don't have time. I'm pressed for time. Making a decision. I'll think about it. I'll give it some thought. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you upgrade your everyday English and sound more natural and fluent. Remember, using advanced English doesn't mean using complicated words. It means choosing phrases that fit real-life conversations better. Keep practicing, and you'll be surprised how quickly your speaking improves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun and useful English lessons from 7ESL. See you in the next video.